Next up is the People's Choice Award and will be presented by Parisa Sharipur. Hello, are you there? She ain't there. Nope, she's not there. So I will say it instead. She's on the way. Where is she? Oh, there. I didn't see you, honey. I am ever so sorry. Here we go. Let's go.
Thank you very much. Hi, everyone. Oh, my God. So during these 2 days, I made an evaluation, and one part was that the visitors could vote for the best game and for the most helpful project group. And I have the results here. For the best game, the winners are Chubby Chase!
Någonting måste jag säga. Thank you very much. It's very appreciated. We worked really, really hard. I also want to thank our musician, Matthew, from the UK. He's made all the music for all the games. So thank you very much.